Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can use hatch command. So let's get straight into it. So first thing we need to do is draw a triangle, or rectangle, doesn't matter right here. So I will draw like so. Now select all and go right here to the left side to hatch, click on it, and right here we will see a new window to appear. So now what we can do, enable preview, and here we can set how it will look like. So we have a lot of options. Doesn't matter what you use, so use that you like or that you need to use if you using this in some of firms or something. So I will go with that one, and we hatched the object right here. Now the second option is also basically what it can be done is if I draw again the new one, and I will go like that and select all and apply hatch again. This hatch will be now just in outside area, like so. So this is how you can use hatch in LibreCAD. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Play a little bit around that with this hatch. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.